Welcome! When a competition is over, you need to import a result file in Lenex format to Tempus. Before the competition results can be approved and official in Tempus for the public, the following steps need to be taken. First, you need to import a result file, and depending on which country you are in, it's either the Federation Administrator that imports the file, or it's the organizer of the competition. 2. Waiting for approval. The Federation Administrator checks for the imported results and approves the results to be official, or they send it back with information about why the results are not approved. If the results are approved, they will be shown in Tempus. And 3. Competition reported step. The user that has imported the result file needs to check why the Federation Administrator does not approve the results. Perhaps it can be fixed, or they can send an answer back to the Federation Administrator to explain the problem. Then they can send it back for approval to the Administration Administrator again. So first we need to log into Tempus Statistics, like this. And then we move back to the side menu and click on Competitions, and then Approval of Results, and finally Import Result File. And here we can just drag and drop our file into the file box and click Send. This will start the import. If the competition's start date is older than 1 month, you get a question that the competition is old, and you click Continue if you want to import. Continue. When the import is completed, a window is shown with the information about the imported competition. Any potential errors found in the file are also shown here. An important thing is that only swimmers competing for your nation are imported to Tempus. And only tick the boxes Master Swimming and Para Swimming if the imported competition is solely for Master Swimming or Para Swimming. Otherwise, things might get wrong. You can click on any of the tabs Swimmers, Individual Results, Relays to show some more information about this. And click Search to display it all. You can also click on the errors to display them and maybe fix them. Let's see. So we're suggested that the Swimmers Club in the results file cannot be found. So let's add a club to one of these. We can click the suggestion to get a suggestion on how to fix the issue. And here, if there are some suggestions, they will pop up here. If not, you can click on New Swimmer and then select a club. Like this. And now we have fixed one error. When you have fixed the errors that you can, you enter a message to the Federation Administrator that will have to confirm the results before they become official. And you can write it down here. To send it, click Send. And then you click on Submit Results for approval and confirm that you want to continue. The blinking button up here. Are you sure what you want to approve? Yes. And now an email is sent to the Federation Administrator that a competition has been sent for approval. You also get an email with the information that you have sent a competition for approval. If a Federation Administrator finds some issues that need to be addressed, they will submit the competition as reported. When the competition is changed to reported, an email is sent to the user that imported the import file that the competition is not approved and that the user needs to log in and enter more information or the likes. So when the user has logged in, he can also see a message about that he has a competition underreported. If he moves over here and clicks on Competitions, Approval of Results, and reported competitions. Here. And then click Manage for actual competition. What the user has to fix is shown here. When he has fixed that, he can then again submit the results for approval and await the Federation Administrator's approval.